Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching and touching block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners last seen on WT.
Cover recruits. If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Try swapping the drive link. I know you can do it. You've been reprogrammed for such a crisis. Don't panic. Just try to bypass the damage. It should work. Could do it.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Destroy the battle.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Doors are locked? Hey, I thought Beck was handling it. Alright, never mind. Okay, the door should work. See you. Okay, your door's stuck. Why is that always a thing? Oh, slow down. Oh, okay, I'm still learning droid. Droid Look, I know you'll figure out how to get the pod open. How's that door situation? Almost got it? Okay. Any idea what the problem is? Right. There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him...
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
Should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Batuu Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Thanks for watching! I can't wait to share more experiences with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of new videos. Hasta luego! Bye!